In this video we're going to talk about external website duplication. Now this really stands out as being a unique type of canonical duplication or duplicate content issue. It's really more often referred to a duplicate content issue than canonical duplication issue. Now one of the reasons why this is so unique is because one of two things has happened. Either you've copied someone else's website's content, or someone else has copied your website content and put it on their website. Now there's a number of different outcomes to this situation and a number of different factors which influence how you should handle this situation. But to clarify, we're not talking about taking a quote from someone or from a web page and linking to that as a source. That's a completely legitimate thing to do. What we're really talking about here is when a piece of content is being virtually straight up copied from one page and put on another page, and there's nothing on the copied version's page to indicate the original source of the content. Now if someone's taken your website content and they put it on their website, there's only really a few ways that you can go about resolving this issue if it's an illegitimate copy. What we would typically ask someone to do is to link to the original source of the content and to add a canonical tag to the copied page that uses a URL link within that of the original page. So you're linking to the original page through the canonical tag, as well as maybe through an internal link on the page that sort of says this is the source of this content. And that's a completely legitimate way to do it. You might want to get the person's permission before going ahead and copying their content if you're putting it in your own site. But if it's your content that's being copied, getting someone else to change their website can be difficult, and in some cases the only route you may have may be legal action if they've done this on a large scale. You quite often see this with images as well, where people copy images and put them on their website. Again, this is also a type of duplicate content, and ultimately is actually illegal as well. You're not really allowed to do that. So just to clarify, we're not talking about a small piece of content on your website, a quote or a mention, something you've taken from Wikipedia as an example. That's not a problem at all. We would typically advise that if you are going to quote people, that you at least link to their Twitter page or the original source of the content wherever you took it, whatever page that is. You can use an anchor within the URL so that takes someone to the specific part of the page. So why is this important? Well, there's a number of reasons why this is important. Firstly, if you're copying someone's content, that's not a good thing to do. If you've copied it from a site that's already been indexed and that content's already been picked up by Google, you're not very likely to rank for that content. However, there are some problems where you may find that a site that maybe has more authority than yours or is indexed more frequently, for whatever reason has copied some of your content, put it onto their site, and it's either been picked up before yours has been indexed by Google, or it's been preferred by Google. And this is really only when it becomes a problem is when someone else's site is either indexed and yours is not, or their content is ranking above yours, where yours should be ranking above theirs. And there are instances where this kind of duplication is systematic, where people embed content from other sites in their own site for a number of different reasons. And this just needs to be handled properly, and typically the best way to do this is with a canonical tag. A properly configured canonical tag on the duplicate versions of the content pointing to the original and primary source of the content will resolve pretty much all of the issues that you'll experience from it. So thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more about canonicalisation, look at the other videos in our canonicalisation playlist, or visit raptor-dmt.com for more information. Thanks for watching.